Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping the braided base and extensions. This is where control comes from. First, clean the hairline and split the braid into 1 anchor sections so you can secure evenly. Once done, measure the extension wefts and mark a 1/2 overlap so the weft lies flush with the braid and avoids bulk. Make sure to thread a curved needle with strong polyester thread and have small rubber bands ready. These let you tension each anchor before stitching for a neater finish. You now attach the first weft. Tuck it under the braid and loop your thread twice around the base to set tension. Next, stitch in a close S pattern every 0.5 along the weft. This distributes weight and prevents slippage. Once the first weft sits flat, place the next weft with a 1/2 overlap and stagger the seam so the join is hidden. This creates a natural flow and balanced weight distribution, which protects the braid and reduces pulling. You finish by trimming any excess weft and sealing exposed thread ends with a small knot or a light touch of heat to prevent fraying. Once done, style gently and avoid tight hairstyles for the first 48 hours to let the attachment settle and minimize tension on the braid. If a section slips later, reinforce it with a few cross stitches or add a small rubber band underneath before restitching. This quick fix restores tension without removing the entire weft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.